Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Every time when kids are demanding snack, mothers are getting confused what to make every day. So today I am here with a very unique recipe from South India, that is Terali Appam. So this is very easy to make and very healthy as well. So let's get started. So the ingredients needed are 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, a small cup of grated jaggery, about half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, just give it a mix and keep it aside. Then we require some fresh jackfruit leaves. So now in Kerala we use fresh bay leaves or tej patta for making this recipe. But now I don't have the tej patta, so I am using jackfruit leaves. For making the dough, we require 2 cups of rice flour. This rice flour is very fine, and before using it, just dry roast in a kadai for about 2 minutes. Then use it for making the dough. For kneading the dough, I am taking 2 cups of water. As we had taken 2 cups of rice, I am taking equal quantity of water. Allow it to boil. Add about half a spoon of salt and about 1 tablespoon of ghee into this water. When ghee melts and water starts boiling, switch off the flame and add this water into the rice flour and knead it into a soft dough. As the water is very hot, take the help of a spoon to mix the dough, and when the dough becomes little cool, you can use your hands to make a soft dough. While making the modak also we follow the same procedure. The same we have to do here also. In this way our thick dough is ready for further recipe. Now take the jackfruit leaf. I have cleaned it nicely. Now apply some water on your hands so that the flour doesn't stick on your palm. Take a small dumpling and spread it on the leaf evenly. As the dough is thick, you can apply little water on your fingers and spread the dough evenly on the leaf. Now apply the coconut and jaggery filling and fold the leaf in this direction, and with the help of the stem insert it on the back side of the leaf so that the fold doesn't remove. And in this way you have to make all the dumplings ready. If you don't have jackfruit leaf with you, you can use banana leaf or even turmeric leaf. Turmeric leaf is also very medicinal. It is very good for making such snacks. So if suppose you don't have any of the leaves, you can directly make modaks out of this. They are also very tasty. So in this way all the terlis are ready. So now we have to steam cook it. For steaming purpose, take a bowl, add some water, allow it to boil, place the utensil, keep all these appams in it. So don't overcrowd, they have to be cooked properly. So 4 to 5 I am keeping, close it with a lid. You can even make it in a idli utensil, just as you make idlis. Close the lid and allow it to steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we have to reverse all these appams so that they can be cooked from both the sides properly. Just invert the position of all the appams and place it again for steaming for 10 minutes more. Make all the appams upside down. Close it with the lid and wait for 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes, our appams are totally ready. Let them cool completely, and after cooling they are ready to be served. They are very healthy and nutritious. If suppose you don't like sweet, if you are a diabetic patient, you can change the filling. You can add onion, green chilies and coconut instead of jaggery in these dumplings. And even sugar patients can also enjoy this snack. So these are very tasty and nutritious. So definitely try it out. If you are not using the leaves, you can make it in different shapes also. Kids, they are going to love this. So try it out. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.